Raven allows you to perform visual miracles that look like real magic. Borrow a coin, place it in your spectator's hand. With a simple wave, the coin completely vanishes right before their eyes. And the best part is, your hands are empty. You never touch it, and the coin is completely gone. This is the ultimate visual vanish that anyone can do. And that's just the beginning. Because the reason that I love the Raven is for the limitless effects that it allows you to perform. Not only can you vanish objects, you can also make them appear. You can transform one object into another, color changes, teleportation, restorations, any type of magic that you can dream up, the Raven can help you make it real. Best of all, it is so easy to use. It's perfect for any skill level, from beginner to expert. The Raven Kit comes complete with everything that you need to get started. The instructional video will teach you exactly how to use it, and with just a few hours of practice, you'll be vanishing objects just like your favorite magicians. Start performing the most incredible magic that your spectators will ever see with the Raven.